guys, it's Exotics UK Lewis, and today we've got an unboxing from AliExpress. Well, unbagging, should we say. This cost me £9 odd. So, first thing we've got here. One second. I'll get back to you once I've got it all out. What we've got is a pellet band machine for like surface fishing or pellets. So yeah, I got them. It came with bands. I think that was £1 odd. So I got that. And next up, I got a mixed pack of weedless hooks, 50 of them. I think that was like £3, £2, something like that. Right, let me get this unboxed. They're pretty cheap, and basically they're a one aught hook, and then they've got a weed guard on it. I think I might have gone too big, but oh well, I suppose. I didn't realise how big they were gonna be. But I'll make do. I just rigged the worms different way. Right. Last thing, let me unbox it. £4, and you get a little case. It's definitely locked well, if I can get it unlocked. And basically it's like 50p lures and jig heads of shads. 5g jig heads and 7cm shads. Ooh, looks like you can fish them weedless by the looks of it. Yeah, possibly. Not bad.